We're gonna head into this crystal factory right here. This table is usually, they only have like 1 or 2 pieces left, so they'll discount it really heavy. Look at this crystal vase back here. And then over here, crystal beer mug. It's €4. It's endless. Can you see that? Crystal vase. That's pretty. That is pretty. Oh, you know, St. Patrick's Day, so it's like a 4-leaf clover. More green. These are beautiful. Can you guys see that trim? That's silver trim around it. As you see, it's just endless selections of things. That's a butter dish right there. I'm actually going to go get that next time I go back to the Crystal Factory. You can get your stuff engraved. Yeah.
It's on that list, yeah.
This house, beautiful. That is so awesome. We got blue. I think you get 6 of them for €18. Red. Got emerald green. Oh, look at this. I told you guys, this stuff is what they send to the States. Look. You see where it's going? To Ross. So they selling it in this, and it's €5 here, and that costs like these. Some of them are actually stamped. If you keep looking, you'll see it say Tiffany and Company. But I guess my particular style is not here anymore. But yeah, these are where all the crystal come from over here. And then they send it to the States. Those are pretty. They're €6 for that crystal. And these crystal cups are heavy and they're €2. All of my cups that I got out of here are actually stamped Tiffany. Like this is probably a Tiffany cup. Oh no, this one is stamped Waterford. Can you see that? There you go. You see how it's stamped? Now the ones I have, it says Tiffany and Co. So you just gotta know what Tiffany glasses look like, and then you can find them in here and get them for like €2 and €3 for some crystal glass. These are actually Ralph Lauren glass. You'll see the sticker in a second. These are Ralph Lauren glasses. Okay, this is the actual store. Let me. This is a store. The other one was the like outlet factory. Hello.
So haarbar rund. Und so, wenn dann so. This endless crystal. This little room back here. Get great. More like get them married. Oh, sorry. Some Thur. That is cute. I may have to get me one of those. I'll get one of those. Let me see if they take a card. Sometimes they don't take cards. I have to see that if they take cards. But as you see, it's just endless crystal. So pretty. Look at that. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Yep. So this store is not terribly big. So we're back to the front. As you see, I guess the other store has like double markings or stuff like that. So they mark them down for a discount when it has imperfections. Then this one is the real store. Yeah. Alcohol set. Cognac set. You get the whole thing for €60. Yeah. Alright guys. These chandeliers, baby. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Look at it. Ooh, pretty. Alright guys. I hope you guys enjoyed
a little bit more of Germany. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.